Grab an old drawer and let's get started. Start by cutting 4 spindles to the size you want for the center legs. Make sure to save the pieces you cut off. Next, attach the spindles using a brad nailer to each corner of the bottom of the drawer. Then, cut a piece of wood the same dimension as the drawer. Lay it on top of the spindles and measure to make sure each spindle is attached in the same way all the way around. Attach using the brad nailer. Next, measure and mark and attach the feet using the pieces of the spindles you cut off previously. Attach these at a diagonal all the way around each foot using the brad nailer. After that, mark the center of each foot and attach a wheel. Then, remove the hardware from the drawer. Next, clean it with TSP. Then, sand all of it smooth, rubbing off the dust with a cloth. After that, prime and paint a color of your choosing. You can also do this step before assembly depending on preference. Reattach the hardware and that's it! This adorable little bar card is such a perfect accent to any room. It can be totally customized to fit any space. Paint it, stain it, stencil it, the possibilities are endless. How would you finish your bar cart? Let us know in the comments. Want to make this project? Here's what you'll need. An old drawer, a tape measure, 4 spindles, a drill, some drill bits, a pencil, a brad nailer, a piece of wood, 4 wheels, a drop cloth, sandpaper, primer, and paint and a paintbrush. I hope this inspires you to upcycle an old drawer into something new for your home. Thanks for watching Home Talk. See you in our next video.